What if I told you the sticker that you see on the screen can bring you a full-time income? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you how I stumbled across this, how you can take advantage, and the multiple opportunities that are layered through just a little bit of research. See, this video actually started yesterday while I was at the gas pump. And if you take a look at my screen right now, you're gonna see a TikTok video that I made about my experience. I'm pumping gas and I see the sticker and it got me to thinking. I'm going to walk you through my thought process, how I could potentially make money so that you could take advantage of this opportunity. For the best tips and tricks to learn affiliate marketing and internet entrepreneurship, be sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to be notified when I upload a brand new video. Also, click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbolt.com/start for your free unemployee handbook. That handbook will teach you how to make money online step by step. Hello, my name is Alston Godbolt with alstongodbolt.com. I'm an affiliate marketer and internet entrepreneur who has helped thousands of people across multiple platforms make passive income, and today I want to help you. Note, before we get going and before you guys leave comments down below, this is not a political video. This has nothing to do with politics. This is simply an opportunity that I saw as a marketer. I thought this was an incredible opportunity from a few different sides, and we're going to talk about it. The first things first, people often tell you that making money online and affiliate marketing is impossible. It's saturated. But think about this. This sticker that I've shown you a few different times wasn't a thing just a few years ago. So there's always going to be an opportunity that jumps up. It's just a matter of you taking advantage of it. Anyway, let's go ahead and get right into it. So I was at the pump, the gas station. I saw this. I did that sticker and I've seen it a few times before, but it got me to thinking, where would I actually buy something like that? And so what I did is I jumped over to Google when I got home, of course, and I typed in where to buy Joe Biden stickers. And there's a couple opportunities just with this sentence. If we scroll down, we see that you can actually buy these stickers on Amazon and you can buy these stickers over on Etsy. Now within that, which is really interesting to me, is if we look at this, you can actually promote this as an affiliate. So I could grab my affiliate link and I could go promote it around town. I could promote it in different Facebook groups. I could go out and find people that I believe to be anti-Joe Biden. And forgive me, I might say Joe Budden a couple times, but I might go out and find different places where these types of people are hanging out, people that feel like Joe Biden is the cause of everything going bad. And I could put these links in there. Now think about this. You are going out, you're finding a target audience. You know what the target audience likes, wants, and dislikes are. And so you could potentially make money if you add value. No, I don't want you to just go grab your affiliate link and spam it in these different Facebook groups. You want to make sure that you are adding value. But the second cool thing is that a lot of people in fact, are making very good money with these stickers, and they're simply creating these stickers. So if we take a look at this one, this person is selling these stickers over on Etsy. They have over 3,000 sales. So if we just took 3,983 sales from their shop and we multiplied that by $9, so we'll take that and we'll multiply this by $9, and you see that they're making $35,000 in a short amount of time based off of these stickers. Now, let's talk about how we could make money, because there are a few different ways. If we jump back over to Etsy, and we'll take a look at their shop here. So this shop is actually really interesting, is you can see that people are looking for all sorts of stickers regarding their political beliefs, and people are willing to buy and spend money on it. What we can do is we can come up here and type in Joe Biden like this, and you can see Joe Biden sticker, Joe Biden SVG, Joe Biden I did that sticker, and so on. And so what we could do to get an idea of about how many searches are happening each and every month is we could actually put in Joe Biden into our keyword research tool. This one is Ahrefs, and see about how much it's searching. And we could actually find keywords where we can make content. So I'm just going to sign in real quick. And when I jump over to, I'm going to go to Site Explorer, and then I'm going to type in Etsy.com. like this, and we're going to see exactly what people are searching and asking on Etsy. So we're going to click on organic keywords like this, and once that gets over, we're just going to type in Joe Biden like that. Oops, yep, I spelled it right. So we'll check that out in a moment. So if we look here, we can see that there are some expletives on the screen. I do apologize for that. It's some of these are being searched 11,000 times per month with a keyword difficulty of 3. Okay, if we sort this by volume, we can see that there are thousands, if not hundreds of thousands of searches. Now, I don't want you to just think about this with regard to your political beliefs or your political agenda. What we should be looking at is people are searching and looking for all types of stuff. And this is your opportunity to make money if you can figure out what their wants and needs are, and you can connect a product or service to their wants and needs. So that's the first thing. You can create stickers and SVGs and all sorts of stuff. So if we click on SVG, you can either create or have someone create different SVGs with or different stickers about anything, and there's a lot of opportunity. You can see there are thousands of dollars full-time income being spent just on SVGs or stickers. Now, if you don't know how to do this, you can hop over to a website like Fiverr, and you can just type in stickers or SVG, and then you can walk through the process of creating these stickers yourself and sending them out, or even an SVG, you can have a digital download. So that's one thing. But a second thing that I thought was really interesting is the question where to buy. Now, this is a buyer's keyword because these people are interested in buying something. And if we jump back over to Ahrefs, you can see this is being searched 13 million times per month. There are over 2 million keywords, and they're asking how to buy a PS5 or Dogecoin or stamps or Shiba Inu. And this is yet another opportunity, potentially a more long-term sustainable opportunity to make money. For example, if we take a look, where to buy pregnancy tester. Now, we could be an affiliate for Amazon or Walmart, but more importantly, this person thinks they're pregnant, and what can we promote? Are there things out there we could promote for someone that is or isn't pregnant? Okay, there are lots of opportunities if you start thinking about that. Okay, so if the person is pregnant, what are some of the things that they may want and need in order to make sure that their pregnancy goes smoother? If they're not pregnant, what are some things that they could do to mitigate the risk going forward? And so if you start thinking about this, there are lots of opportunities to make money. And this, again, all spurred from these simple little stickers on I did that. Again, so just walk through this with me. I saw a product that a lot of people are buying. I came back home and typed in where to buy. And so this is a first piece of content you could create. For example, you could start an entire website about where to buy. If we came back over to our keyword research tool and I click and I change the keyword difficulty to 10 or less, you're going to see that there are people that are asking questions about all sorts of stuff. Where to buy 818 tequila. So are there things that could go with the tequila, for example? Maybe a shot glass or special mixers or chasers, all sorts of stuff. Where to buy cheesecloth, where to buy sea moss. You could create content here. For example, if we copy where to buy sea moss and paste that in, you could create content, whether it's a YouTube video or a blog post, where you're walking people through the process of the 5 best places to buy sea moss or the 5 cheapest places to buy sea moss. And it's all based off of where to buy. So don't just think or consume yourself with what people are searching. Think about why people are searching it and what their end result is. They want to maybe express their frustration with the situation. Maybe they want to get the positive effects of sea moss. Maybe they want to learn if they're pregnant so that they can start planning accordingly. Maybe they want to start a savings account where they can save money. But there are other opportunities as well. People are using Etsy as a search engine, and you can see people are making thousands of dollars of full-time income with all sorts of stickers. If we come back over to Etsy once again, we could just type in stickers like this, hit enter, and you're going to see that there are all sorts of people looking for all sorts of different stickers. So I typed in stickers into Etsy, and you can see people are looking up Minecraft stickers, 79,000 times per month, custom stickers, stickers for a car. These are all different things that people are searching right on Etsy, where you could potentially create content to make money, or you could be an affiliate for that product. So there are two different ways that you can make money in this situation. WNBA teams, that falls under stickers, aesthetic stickers. You could also come up to your keyword research tool, and instead of typing in where to buy, we could just type in stickers like this, and you're going to see that there's 5 million searches per month, over 600,000 keywords for different types of stickers. You just need to go out and figure out what your target audience wants to know and what they need, what their end result will be or should be, what they want their end result to be, and you can create the type of content to make money. So once again, I saw a product that was in the real world. You know, most people think that making money online is a figment of your imagination, but it has real world implications. And so I found this, I did a little bit of research, and then I realized there's a whole world of people that are interested in these types of stickers. There's a whole world of people making money from these stickers, and you can actually do this too. So if we come back over to Fiverr real quick, and I type in, we'll type in stickers like this, and you can see that people are creating stickers for as little as $25. You could actually do something called arbitrage, where you have them create the stickers and export them and outsource them, and you create a storefront over on Etsy. Someone places an order, you can fill that order and have them sent directly to wherever they may be. It might be a little bit cheaper if you learn how to do it yourself, but you can see here that you can find someone to do it for as little as $10 on creating these stickers, and you can make money. Now that shop that I showed you, it made $35,000. You can make as much or as little as you want, depending on what you're promoting, and there will always be a new opportunity that popped up. Again, 3 years ago, were people creating these types of pieces of content, products, and services? No. 2 years ago, there was no such thing as the pandemic that's happening now. So there will always be an opportunity if you keep your eyes and ears open. There will always be a place that you can go to promote these different products and services. For example, if I were to jump into one of the Facebook groups of people that are most likely to buy these stickers, I could promote this product and make money on everything else that is in their cart. For example, if we take a look at my cart right here, if I were to click on an affiliate link and add this to the cart for $7.98 and purchase it, they would have a total cart value of $355. You could potentially earn a commission on all of that if you are an affiliate for Amazon. So guys, let me know if you have any questions. Let me know what you think about this. If this is an interesting opportunity, if you think this is just a pie in the sky, nobody really makes money online, comment down below what you think. I think this is a really interesting opportunity, not necessarily the sticker itself, but the opportunities that come and go almost overnight. Now that you do know how to make money with stickers, click the first link in the description for my free unemployee handbook. That handbook will teach you how to make money online step by step. Click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbolt.com/start. Watch these videos next for more tips and tricks to make money online. Also check out my website, alstongodbolt.com, for even more tips, tricks, and tactics to make money online. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share this video with 5 of your friends.